Hello guys, today I'm back again with another unboxing and review of a product I've ordered online. This is again a Casio watch, but it's not a wristwatch, it's an alarm clock, uh, and I've ordered it online from the Casio Center in Lahore. The delivery process was quite snappy, but the arrangement of the product by the Casio Center Lahore was quite slow. As I ordered the product, and after 2 to 3 days, I called there, and they said they have not arranged product as of then. And as soon as the product is arranged, they will dispatch it to me. And it was delivered the next day, thankfully, after arranging, of course. So it took around a week for them to send this product to me, and this watch is serial numbered Casio TQ 358-8. The last date is the color of the product. I have ordered it in silver color. So let's open and see how it comes out. And the main concern I had was the delivery process and the packaging, that hopefully it delivers as a single piece and not broken by any means or from anywhere. So let's see, open it and then we'll discuss it. I want to open this product in front of you guys so that we can see. There's a receipt of the product. I don't want to. Hopefully that will do the job. So there it is. Okay, oh, they've packed it quite nice. Casio Center ऑनलाइन घड़ियाँ और कैलकुलेटर सेल करने वाली सबसे बड़ी कंपनी. They've made their own box of Casio Center. The original box of this watch is not like this, and I don't know what this is. Maybe the invoice of the product for claiming the warranty of the product. Yes, it's the invoice. It's the invoice. So let's see. Again, packed it quite good. I always appreciate a good packing. So this is the main reason of concern for me, the packaging, because when we order anything online, again, this is the original packing of the watch. A little of a cushioning and nothing else in the box, all empty. So this is the box. Bell alarm with a snooze function, TQ358, battery included, and pile comprise, don't know. It's a basic alarm clock basically, but let's see. It's an instruction of how to set up the watch and the alarm nothing fancy. This product has gone out of date, as most of the people prefer their mobile phone alarm function. So let's open it. The battery, very much appreciated, Panasonic R14C super heavy duty, very nice. Some paperwork, warranty card. So that's all original. This is the watch, nothing else inside. The only instruction is this. So it's a Casio product and they have included the original packing. That's very nice to see because they're in Karachi. As I opened, oh, lovely. The design is lovely. The design is lovely. As you can see, the design is lovely. There's the snooze button. There's the alarm on off. It's plasticky, but again Casio makes plastic very sturdy and good quality. This is the set button, how to set it, all in all. And one thing I want to share about the features of this watch, one is that snooze button. Second, what I found out was that it had glowing numbers on the face of the watch. The numbers glow in the dark. We can't check that, of course. And I don't think it has a light. No, it don't have a light. It doesn't have a light. So anyways, let's put in a battery and see if it works. Okay, I'll just put it. First I try to open it. If I can open it with, oh, I can. It's a strap just to make the life easy for taking the cell out. The cell is in, and once you pull it, the cell will come out by its own. So the product is genuine, as I had searched it on the website, everything. The watch is functioning. And is to check the sound of the alarm clock. Once it's in that position, the alarm is on. To set the time, you need to pull it out and then rotate it. This will set the time. It's very wobbly, the wheel. The wheel is very wobbly. Once you push it in, then you can see now it rotates the alarm hand. This little guy over there. The alarm is not sounding. Let me check. Then I'll get back to you guys. Yes, the alarm is ringing, but I need to further check it as it's not. I have just pressed it once, so it's on snooze. It should ring after 5 minutes, and it should ring on time, but it was not ringing earlier, so I need to check the alarm. Furthermore, the alarm sound is not too loud, but it is quite loud. Maybe at night time it will function correctly. So let's see. I'll keep you updated how is the quality of this watch, this clock, alarm clock. And if you have any queries or you want to ask anything, you can ask in the comment sections below. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and take care of yourself. Thank you.